Hi guys, welcome to the Footer channel. A strong LinkedIn presence is crucial in the current highly competitive job market. According to statistics, LinkedIn members with a profile photo receive far more engagement, and users with a professional headshot receive 14 times more views. However, hiring a professional photographer is expensive and time-consuming, because you have to book in advance, head to the studio, and wait in line for just a photo. It is also not friendly to some introverts, who will be awkward in front of the camera. So to solve this issue, we have a new app called PortraitMe, an AI portrait generator that can help you create your professional photos and get the perfect shot for business by yourself. Let's quickly dive into the PortraitMe tutorial. First, this app is available on Android and iOS. The download link is in the description. After you download it on your phone, just open it. You will see the interface like this. Choose the LinkedIn category, and tap on the All button. You can preview all the styles for LinkedIn, and choose one you like. Select one of your selfie photos, tap on the Generate Now button, then you can easily turn your selfie into a professional LinkedIn profile. The app will jump out of a subscription interface. The weekly plan is only $6.99 and the annual plan is $29.99, which is much cheaper than hiring a professional photographer once. Or if you want a free trial, you can close the subscription interface, and then you can watch the ads for generation. After the ads, wait for a second. You will have your LinkedIn profile. If you are filed in real estate or something else, that does not need to be too serious. You can go back to the home page and choose Professional Shot for Business. Also, browse the professional category and choose one you like. Tap on Watch Ad. You will get a professional headshot. Besides professional business headshots, the app still has a studio shoots category that can be used for Instagram posts, and casual category that makes your profile photo look more easygoing and natural. Also, the vintage styles can bring you back to the 80s or 20s. Creative art is also a great feature that can turn your photos into cartoon or cyberpunk style. Last, we have a travel category that helps you create a satisfying photo for your post to replace the traveling photos you took, which are not good. Quickly try the app via the link in the description. Generate your own portrait. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you guys will like it, and please share your usage experience in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and thumbs up if you like this video. See you in the next video.